Hey YouTube, ATL Carpenter here. In this video, I'm going to show you guys an easy seat cover upgrade for your Turo vehicles. The upgrade is going to do 4 things for you. 1, it's going to have you stop cleaning your cloth interior. 2, it's going to save you time because you just spray and wipe the seats. There's no scrubbing. 3, it's going to improve the look of your interior. And 4, could possibly, definitely help you get 5-star reviews. All right, let's get to the video. Let's head outside. I'm going to show you guys my 2018 Chevy Equinox. It's got cloth seats. I've had it for approximately 3 years. Well, I've had it about 3 years. Seats have been pretty clean, but they come back stained, and I took it to the car wash this morning already. Came back from a trip last night, and I guess let me quit talking. I was thinking of putting some leather seat covers on the seats. I had them in my Mazda 3 and it got totaled, so they're pretty blue. I'll show them to you in 1 second. Let me show you the vehicle and show you the seats as well. 2018 Chevy Equinox. The seats, that cloth interior. The seats are pretty, but I bought this thing in, let's see, we bought this, I believe, May of 2023. Those 2 holes were in the seat right here already, and they're still there. Thank God they didn't get any bigger, or maybe they did, just slightly. And here's the back seats. I cleaned these seats with the spray cleaner that was at the car wash. I'm going to try my seat covers and see how they look in here. Let me show you the seat covers. I only get Coverados. They're a little dirty because they came out of the Mazda that was totaled, and the lady had the Mazda for 8 months, and before IAA picked it up, I took them out of the Mazda, and I didn't want to sell them. I figured I'd get another vehicle, so I'm going to try these and see how they look.